recap of the 6 benefits of hydrogen peroxide in your garden, along with the suggested strengths. Also, if any of you are on Facebook, head on over and join our gardening group called Growing Better.
Yeah, we know damn well y'all don't use Facebook.
Fast, yet it will never lose its sense of community or its welcoming feel. If you're passionate about growing epic organic fruits, herbs, and veggies for you and your family, the Growing Better group is a great place to hang out, share, learn, and grow. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you're getting value in this and the other series that I'm doing on YouTube, hit those
Yeah. Y'all know to like, comment, subscribe. Go over there and check out the original video. If you don't know where it is, that's your fault.
Now to a topic that is trending across Texas, the future of THC. The Texas House recently gave final approval to a bill that would do away with THC products, putting an end to businesses that rely on the product for their livelihood. One of those local shops sharing with our Josh Maxwell that they are now contemplating moving out of the state. Josh?
Leslie, whether you're moving apartments or moving across the state, you're going to need money, bottom line. Now, the shop owner I spoke with today said that in order to move his THC inventory and find a new facility, a whopping $30,000 price tag.
None of us want to leave, but we have to.
Panacea owner Renee Pena talking about the difficult decision to close his shop and move. The reason? The looming THC ban that recently received final approval Thursday by the Texas House. Pena says they're already looking at states like Nevada and Colorado.
It takes a lot of the revenue out of Texas, and is now going to take our production to these other states.
A move he says won't be cheap.
Be upwards about 20 to 30,000 just to transition, finding new facilities to rent, buy, etc.
A lot of these businesses will go under.
Free News political analyst Dr. Bill Chris says the move to ban THC could have lingering side effects once finalized.
The beneficiaries of this legislation are likely to be the organized crime syndicates that still will be able to sell marijuana because people won't be able to get it legally.
Chris says while the bill would result in countless businesses shutting down, some could adapt to the change as well.
A lot of these businesses will stay open because they'll still be able to sell CBD products, which are used in massage oils and other relaxants.
As for Pena, he says while he might be in a different state, he'll always be grateful for the community that supported him.
It's been a blessing to get to know a bunch of them and become a part of this community.
Josh Maxwell, 3 News.
And we do wish them the very best.
Lexi, thanks. Strong words from city leaders today. That's after members of a controversial nationalist group rallied and marched in Kansas City. The group is called the Patriot Front. Civil rights nonprofit, the Southern Poverty Law Center, categorizes it as a hate group. Fox 4's Jacob Sloan shares reaction from people around the city.
On Memorial Day weekend, the Liberty Memorial is decorated to honor our troops. But yesterday, more flags appeared at the memorial from ralliers. These pictures show the group with faces covered rallying at the memorial. They carry shields and a variety of flags. Some are upside-down USA flags. Some carry the Betsy Ross flag from the 1700s. Others even hold the Confederate battle flag. The SPLC calls them a white nationalist hate group that split from the group who planned the 2017 Unite the Right rally in Charlottesville, Virginia. That rally killed one person and injured many others. The National World War I Museum and Memorial issued a statement to Fox 4 on Sunday, saying they respect the group's right to peaceful assembly and free speech and want to be unequivocally clear that the views expressed by this group do not represent or align with our values. They continue to say they stand firmly against hatred, bigotry, and divisiveness in all forms. In a Facebook post on Saturday, Mayor Lucas also said, while the First Amendment provides the right to bring any message to Kansas City, we know that our diversity, our welcoming community, and our respect for the rights of all reject whatever hate and cowardice come our way. It's still unclear why the group chose Kansas City for their demonstration. We reached out to KCPD to see if they received any advance notice the rally was happening. We have not heard back. Jacob Sloan, Fox 4, working for you.
Well, they came through this town. Shouts out to Kansas City.